All right, see if this fits. Yes! It fits perfectly, man.
Hey, Park Ranger, what are you doing?
Hey, Park Ranger LB. Oh, hey, it's good that you're here, because I was getting all ready for Halloween night, huh? It's gonna be so cool.
Halloween.
Yeah, we're gonna have the most awesome jack-o'-lantern in the whole neighborhood. Man, everybody's gonna love it. It's gonna be so
How are you
cool.
supposed to do that?
Oh, it's because we're gonna have an erupting jack-o'-lantern. It's gonna like a volcano.
Oh,
Whoosh,
that's
you know?
cool. But how are you supposed to do an erupting volcano?
Well, that's because I have all these science experiments here, so I'm gonna try it out and see which one erupts the best. You know, I don't know which one it's gonna be yet, but.
Yeah, what's in here?
Oh, that's one of my experiments. That's dry ice in there, okay? Yeah, so I'm thinking, let's try the dry ice experiment, huh?
Okay, Spoonie, let me put you somewhere else.
Oh, is that your jack-o'-lantern? We're gonna way outdo Spoonie there, okay? First, some warm water. Okay, now I think it needs dishwashing detergent, soap or whatever it is. Then it'll capture the gas as it comes off and make bubbles. Oops, kind of overshot it there a little bit. There we go.
I think you're making a mess, man.
Yeah, I am. I'm kind of messy. See, I cut a hole here in this pumpkin, and we put it over, and that way when it'll come out the pumpkin's mouth, kind of like bleh, you know?
Wait, I got an idea.
Wait. Oh, wait. You reminded me. I almost forgot. We're doing science. We need the proper safety gear, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, here we go. Head protection here. All right. And there's your goggles. Okay. You need your lab coat. You ready now?
Yeah.
Okay, park rangers at home, remember, if you want to do these kind of experiments, make sure you have a grown-up to help you out and you have all the proper safety equipment, okay?
Yeah!
So we got our soap and water ready there. Now we need some dry ice. Did you know that dry ice is so cold, it can actually burn you? So I got proper gloves here. Let's open this ice chest up then.
Wait. What I need?
Oh yeah, those are your safety gloves for the lab here. These are the gloves I need for the ice chest. There's our first piece of dry ice. Woo!
Whoa.
Wow, that thing is cold right there. I can feel it through these gloves.
Ah! Whoa, look at the ground.
Ooh, look at that!
Whoa.
Wow, man!
Whoa.
Whoa, that is awesome. I don't know if the
is
soap
so
did much,
cool.
but, oh wait, look at the soap. I just think I didn't get enough in there. Look, it's starting to foam at the mouth there.
Whoa.
Wait, here, let's take it out. Wait.
Wow.
Look at the bubbles. Okay, Bubbles, go back in. I didn't put enough bubbles in there, that's the problem. Okay, so grab that pumpkin right there. This one is a real pumpkin, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, wait a minute, it already has a face drawn on it. Okay, right now we just have this little hole here, and we kind of put like a glass in it, okay?
Oh, yeah.
And guess what we're gonna make? A volcano.
Oh, cool.
Using baking soda and vinegar. All right, here we go. Let's see how much baking
Yeah,
soda.
overload it with baking
No, you
soda.
don't want to overload it because then the vinegar can't get down into it.
Oh, you also need some soap.
That's good. That's a lot of soap.
Whoa, it
Oh,
looks like slime almost.
So I don't know if this is gonna work the way it's all mixed up in there, but hey, this is why they call it an experiment, huh?
Yeah.
See what it does. 3, 2, 1, volcano!
Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa.
I don't think it came out blue. See if this even has any oomph left in it. There we go.
Whoa!
Cool. It's not quite a volcano. It's more like a toupee or a hairpiece. I don't think that was as impressive as the dry ice was it?
Nah.
Maybe we should clean this up and we'll try the next experiment, okay? All right, it's all cleaned up. What are we gonna try out now, huh? Which one?
Boom!
Oh, it's a wubble bubble.
Yeah, we're
All
gonna put my
right.
tiny wubble in the
You
jack-o'-lantern.
think you can put it in there and it's gonna erupt?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll give that one a try. It's a different
Okay.
approach. That's the wubble bubble. You gonna put, is it gonna fit in that hole there?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, wait, how do you blow it up?
You use this little thing.
Oh, it's inflating inside. Oh, here it goes. Go for it, Park Ranger LB. Oh, uh-oh. It might bust open his face. Whoa. Uh-oh. You don't have enough oomph? Oh, no. That's pretty cool, though. But it's not quite erupting. So we need to get back to our science experiments here and see if we can
Okay.
make something erupt, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so grab some Coca-Cola over there. So, you know, this experiment is supposed to use Diet Coke, but I thought, well, why won't regular Coke work? You want to
Yeah.
give the regular Coke a try first?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so use some Mentos.
Mentos.
Mint right there, okay?
Okay, Mentos.
So this is gonna make a lot of foam, right? You're gonna
Here,
do 4. Okay, there you go. Just remember to do the same amount in the Diet Coke so we can compare it.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
Whoa! Man!
The last one didn't go in.
Woo! Woo! All right, time for Diet Coke. Let's see if the Diet Coke can outdo the regular Coke here for this
3,
experiment.
2, 1. Whoa!
Oh, I don't think that was as good as the regular Coke was
No.
it? Well, we can use either one for our pumpkin, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Quick! Oh, man. Oh, the whole Mentos packet got in there. Oh, look, it's still going though. Look at that. I think that's what the Diet Coke does. I think it lasts longer than the regular Coke. Now we're ready to make T-Rex toothpaste for our jack-o'-lantern, huh?
What? T-Rex toothpaste? I thought it was called elephant toothpaste.
Yeah, I guess they do call it elephant toothpaste, but this being T-Rex Ranch, everything around here is T-Rex toothpaste, okay?
Oh, okay.
And we got a special ingredient we're gonna put in it to make it T-Rex toothpaste.
Huh?
So this is gonna be the kid-safe version first, okay?
Okay.
So remember, park rangers at home, you definitely need a grown-up for this experiment.
Yep.
So you start off with some of your basic H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, okay?
Yeah.
It's like what you put, you know, when you get a cut. So you're gonna do like a half a cup of that. So I already got that. There we go. Now we're gonna put some food coloring in there. What color? You wanted to use blue?
Yeah, no, green. That's green.
Okay. We'll put green food coloring in there. There we go. Put in quite a bit. We need to put some soap in there too. This will make the bubbles capture all the gas that's gonna be given off. Oh yeah, I need a stirrer here, man, or
Hey,
something.
what's this?
Oh, that'll work. There we
Yeah,
go.
I'm gonna stir
Okay, you're gonna stir it up.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna put it in this flask.
Okay.
So we'll pour that in. All right, there we go.
There we go.
Make sure you got your proper eye protection there.
Okay.
Okay, and I already made this up. This is yeast, and you need like a packet of yeast mixed with a couple of tablespoons of warm water. 3, 2, 1. See what this does. There we go. All right.
Cool.
Although, wait, let's see if this. Yeah. Oh, wait, I forgot the secret ingredient, man. Glitter. That's what makes it T-Rex toothpaste. But you know what?
What?
That didn't really work good enough for our jack-o'-lantern anyway.
No.
I think we're gonna have to go to the big boy stuff now, okay?
What's the big boys?
Yeah, this is not the child-safe version. This is the stuff that a grown-up has to do, okay? So now we've got some high concentration hydrogen peroxide, and we have some solution over here, and we're gonna combine those. We're still gonna do the soap and the food coloring though, okay? So you want you to put some food
Soap.
coloring in. Okay, that's good, that's good. All right, and we still need the soap. But to make it T-Rex toothpaste, we're gonna put in some silver glitter. There we go. Okay, look at all that nice
Okay.
T-Rex
Wait,
toothpaste
what
glitter
was
there. You
that?
stir it up real good there. Here, pour in the hydrogen peroxide here. Now this is gonna get really hot in there, and it should shoot out.
Okay.
So why don't you stand back when I pour it in, okay?
Okay.
And then the whole goal is to put our pumpkin over it, okay? And it's
Okay.
gonna, who knows? We'll see. 3, 2, 1. Go for it.
Okay.
Oh, it's filling
Oh.
up. Oh!
Oh!
There it goes! Woohoo! Wow, oh, I can feel the heat off of it, man.
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow.
Pumpkin went green with T-Rex toothpaste, man. That was awesome.
Man.
Let's try it again now, all right?
Okay. Wow.
This time it's gonna be gold glitter to make it T-Rex toothpaste. There we go. Ooh, there's a lot of gold. Oh, and then we need the soap.
Oh yeah. Wow. Go. Take him out.
Ow!
What's happening? Nothing's happening.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there it goes. There it
Wait,
goes.
wait, here it goes, here it goes. Oh,
Oh.
yeah, it's spilling out. Oh, look at that.
Whoa!
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Wow. It made even more than last time. Oh, you see all the
Yeah.
steam coming off?
Wow.
Whoa, cool, man. That is so awesome. Oh, I can feel the heat over here. It feels like we're in the shower or something.
Yeah.
It just smells like soap. I think the pumpkin's getting too hot again here. Ooh. Oh, yeah, it's really hot.
What
What'd I do with it?
the pool.
Pool. Oh no, Park Ranger Obi, it's sinking! Ooh, that's cold. Ooh, yeah. Don't worry, Jack-o'-lantern. All right, he's all set.
Come in, Park Ranger.
Oh, wait a minute.
What?
I hear Park Ranger Jay calling on my walkie-talkie there. Let's see what that's all about, huh?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Ooh, this is pretty cool, man. It's still in one piece. Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Oh, wait. What happened to your lab coat there, man? Ooh, you better bleach that bad boy, huh?
Yeah.
Go ahead, Park Ranger Jay.
Hey, you guys haven't seen T-Bone, have you?
No. We haven't seen T-Bone, nope.
Well, he's not here.
T-Bone's not at T-Rex Ranch. Okay. I doubt he came here, but we'll go check and make sure, okay?
Yep.
Come on, let's go check, just in case he's here. I don't think he's here. Let's go, come on. All right, let's see if we can find T-Bone if he's here. I think Park Ranger Jay probably just misplaced him on the monitor.
Yeah.
T-Bone! He is here!
Yeah.
What's he doing here at the old Dino HQ? And he's supposed to be at a T-Rex Ranch.
Yeah.
Okay, this could be bad. He could really mess up the neighborhood if we don't get him out of here.
Dude,
Okay, we gotta think of some way to get him to go back to T-Rex Ranch. I don't have a sleepy dog blaster on me. What are we gonna do?
Blaster.
No, man, you can't blast him with that new blaster. You might make him disappear.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that could be bad. Okay, what are we
Maybe
gonna
I'll scare him.
do? Oh, yeah, you could scare him. Just kind of aim up over him with that thing.
Yeah, okay, 3,
Give it a
2,
good
1.
run there. Go for it. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, look, T-Bone's really upset now.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, T-Bone. You go. Turn around. Yeah. There he goes.
Woo!
Woo,
Yeah.
high five, dude. Awesome, man. T-Bone's heading back to T-Rex Ranch. The neighborhood's safe.
What? You're not throwing your goggles, man.
Oh. I was wondering why it was so foggy out here.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, T-Bone, see you later.
Bye.
Go inside and make some T-Rex toothpaste. Let's go,
Yeah.
dude.
Maybe we should combine them all into one. Yeah.
No, bad idea.
Oh, yeah.